everybody, this is Roxy, and here is another project that I did. These are just little charms, and so I thought it'd be kind of fun to make little gifts out of them. And I think I might go to Dollar Tree and get the little tubes of crazy glue, because I think you get 3 to a pack, maybe not. But I might add that in. I'm not sure. But I do want to figure out a way if I can shrink wrap something on top, because I know people will go like, huh, what's that? They'll go flying. So they're all a little bit different. Got several of them. So hopefully that will be a cute seller. So I've got other ones boxed up to make earrings. So I'll show those in the next video. Thanks for watching.